My safety guide. Let's stay safe. Tia and Sally are friends. One day, they went outside to play. Before they left the house, Tia said, "Stop. Remember, safety comes first. You must wear your helmet when you ride your bike." Sally nodded and said, "Yes, and you mustn't talk to strangers. If there is an emergency, you must call for help." As they walked to the park, Sally saw a stop sign. She said, "Stop. Wait for the green light before you cross the street." Tia looked both ways and said, "Be careful. Don't run near the street." Tia smiled. "This is our safety guide. We must always follow these rules to stay safe."